So these are the materials you'll need: printable stickers, glue stick, scissors, pencil, scale, markers, A4 size paper, but you could use any other paper you like.
Alright, so how to get the stickers is basically you're going to go to either Google or Pinterest and type in something along the lines of food stickers or food stickers printable, food stickers aesthetic, food stickers free printable, etc. And click search and you're going to get these different type of sticker ideas over here. And so you're going to choose whichever one you like according to your style and print them out.
Now I will show you how to cut one of these ones. Same thing you're going to do. Cut it up and be very careful while you're cutting. Just going to trim off some of the white parts that I'm seeing on top here. Right. For the next step, what you're going to do is you're going to take your A4 paper, fold it in half like this, really well, pin it up, and then using your scale, you're going to tear it off. Like that, okay? And you can see these rough sides, which with the scissors, you can just trim them off. Like this. If you find that even after trimming it, the edges look uneven and it doesn't look neat, what you can do is, using your scale and pencil, is draw a line. And then cut so that it looks neater than before. There you go. Much better, isn't it? So the next part we're going to do is we're going to take our scale, and I'm going to be using a brown color marker and just outline the sides. Like this. I'm just going to fill the sides in using the marker. And if you want to make it thicker, you can make thicker. I think I'm going to go for a little bit of more thicker. And you're going to do this to all the four sides. So now that we're done with the borders, now we're going to use our scale and pencil and basically make lines on the inside, like another border type. So this is like a frame. And I've done it to all four sides. And now we're going to take our marker and put it on top of the pencil. Alright, so I'm going to tell you an easier way that you can do the borders. What basically I did is I took the scale and the marker and basically have a scale that's the approximate size of your paper. And you're just going to take the marker and scale and go in a line like that. And it really just creates a perfect one, and just you're gonna fill in the gaps like that, and then you're good to go. So now that we're done with the borders, we're going to make another border inside using our pencil and scale. You can choose how wide you want it to be, and you're going to do that to all four sides. You could go straight with the marker, but I decided not to, and best to be on the safer side and draw it with a pencil. So yeah. Now we're going to take our scale and marker and draw the line. I'm not going to make them as thick as this border, but I am going to make them just a little bit thick. Same method that we used before. And do this to all the 4 sides. Here. Okay. I kind of want to use this idea of these little doodles that they've done over here and pretty much do it over here all around. So choosing the colors which go with my stickers, which is red, green, yellow, and I've already done brown. So I'm kind of going to just go with that. I'm going to make like a little diamond and then swirl, another swirl, little sprinkle type, and this sign. Okay, hopefully that'll look good after. So since I'm going to be going with doodles, if you don't like the idea, you could always go for something else if you have any idea in your mind. So this is how mine looks like after it's done. So now what we're going to do is take our scale and pencil, and we're going to draw lines like this. And you're basically going to do that till the bottom. So once you're done with the lines, this is how it's going to look. I'm sure you can't see it. But now what we're going to do is take our marker and scale. I'm using a gray color marker. And draw on the lines. So try not to touch the ends because they are going to mash into one color then, so be careful with that. So now that we're done with the lines, we're finally going to move on to the sticker part. I'm going to take our glue and sticker, and I'm going to put it all over the sticker. And you can stick them wherever you like. I'm just going to stick mine here. Corner. I'm going to take my other one. Same thing. All right, and now we're done. So for the final step, we're just gonna erase the extra lines that are there. The lines that we drew for the marker, just erase those lines. And there you have it. So these are some of the other ideas that I have. This one and this one. And then I've of course showed you how to make this one. So yeah. They're the same method, except for this one I just use coloring pencil for the inside. Other than that, there is no difference in the materials. So these are the ideas. Comment down below what you thought of this idea and whether you tried it or not. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.